Next. Also, we need fresh blood in DPWH. I've said this time and time again. The way to change culture, the systemic problems in DPWH, is not only to put in the reforms, not only to make sure that people are held to account, but we need new people. We need young, fresh people who have not been corrupted by the system to come in and start changing the system and the department from within. Lara is an example. Yusek Lara is an example. D.E. Ken is an example. I was just with him and his team. I'm very happy because when I went to Bulacan first, which is the epicenter of all of this, madami akong nakitang mga bata. People in their 30s, engineers in their 30s, some of them even in their 20s. Marami doon mga bata na, and maraming nag-a-apply. Doon ako natutuwa. Kasi despite all the problems, despite the zero trust in DPWH, maraming pa rin mga bata na gustong mag-apply at gustong magtrabaho dito. At yun, nakakataba ng puso yun. Kasi kung wala nang magtitiwala at wala nang mag-a-apply at wala nang magtatrabaho ditong mga katulad nila, saan tayo pupulutin? So kailangan tayong maghanap. And I'm here to announce we are going to start with the campus job fairs this month. The first one will be in Mapua next week in MIT, in Mapua Institute of Technology on January 21. So, and then all the other schools will follow, and not just in Metro Manila but all over the country. So in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So ako mismo iikot ako at pupunta ako dito kasama ng ating mga undersecretaries, ng ating mga bagong mga district engineers na para akitin ang ating mga bata, mga bagong graduate, bagong pasa ng board na sumama at makilahok dito sa pagbabagong gusto nating mangyari dito sa DPWH.